गुड मॉर्निंग माय फ्यूचर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स, कैसे हैं सब लोग? गुड मॉर्निंग विवेक, श्रीनिधि, कुणाल, आनंद, आर्नोल्ड, लक्षिता, मानवी, आश बाबू, भूमिका, सोनाली. गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. So time for some revision of what we have discussed in the last lecture. Hopefully आप लोग सब पहले से पढ़ के आए होंगे, लेकिन फिर भी एक बार अपन रिवाइज करते हैं. तो let's start the revision. Okay. अवधेश, राहुल, प्रिया, रोहिणी, अनुष्का, सर्वस्व, सूर्या, पंचाल, मोहम्मद बरतुल्ला, शीतल. गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों. So let's start the revision. The applicability of Act with effect from 31st March 2009 and it extends to whole of India including Jammu and Kashmir. It contains 81 sections and 4 schedules. First schedule regarding the mutual rights and duties of partner, and second schedule is for conversion of firm into LLP. Third schedule for conversion of private company into LLP. Fourth schedule is for conversion of unlisted public company into LLP. These schedules give the procedure for conversion. Provisions of Partnership Act 1932 will not be applicable to LLP. LLP is a new form of legal business entity. It has separate legal entity and the liability of the partners is limited. This is an alternative corporate business form that gives the benefit of limited liability of a company and the flexibility of partnership. Both benefits are covered in LLP. Partners, Section 5, an individual or body corporate may be a partner in LLP, but not the person of unsound mind, undischarged insolvent, and the person who has applied to be declared as insolvent are not capable to be a partner in the LLP. Minimum 2 partners. If LLP carries on the business for more than 6 months with 1 partner only, then that only partner will be liable personally if he has knowledge that he is the only partner. Clear इतनी बात? आगे बढ़ते हैं. Body corporate, some definitions. Body corporate, Section 2, Clause D. A company and includes LLP, foreign LLP, foreign company, but does not include full corporation, sole, cooperative society, or any other body corporate which is notified by the central. Business includes every trade, profession, service, and occupation. यहाँ तक definition थी in the previous act or in the original act, but by amendment these words were added. And occupation except any activity which the central government by notification exclude. Designated partner as per Section 7, entity, any body corporate, and includes a firm under Indian Partnership Act for specific sections, specific provisions. Foreign LLP, LLP formed, registered, incorporated outside India but have a place of business in India. Financial year 1st April to 31st March, but if LLP is incorporated after 30th September, then the period will end in the next financial year, next 31st day of the financial year. LLP partnership formed and registered under this act. LLP agreement, the agreement decided between the partners, among the partners and LLP. Partner, any person who becomes a partner in accordance with the LLP agreement. A small LLP, this was newly inserted in the Amendment Act. A small LLP means the LLP which has a capital contribution up to 25 lakh presently, but it can be extended up to 5 crore by the government. And the turnover is, as per the previous financial statement, is up to 40 lakh. But this amount may be extended up to the 50 crores or such other LLP which on the basis of terms and conditions which are prescribed by the rules. Designated partner, there should be at least 2 designated partners who should be individual and at least one of them should be the resident. And resident means the person who stayed in India for at least 120 days during the immediately preceding 1 year. Characteristics of LLP same like company almost. LLP is body corporate having perpetual succession, separate legal entity, limited liability of partners, mutual agency means agreement mutual on the basis of mutual agreement between the partners. LLP agreement minimum 2 partners, maximum no limit. Business only for LLP can be created only for the profit basis, not for the charitable purpose. It is an artificial legal person. It may have the common seal, may or may not. Management of business by the designated partners, conversion into LLP. It means firm, private company, public company may be converted as per the schedules into LLP. Investigation power, compromise, arrangement, foreign LLPs, and e-filing. Documents should be filed by online. Advantages is important for exemption point of view. What are the advantages of LLP? It is easy to form. LLP agreement can be customized. Customized means accordingly change. Operates on the basis of agreement, no minimum capital, less compliances and tax burden, flexibility है, पार्टनर्स को आने जाने में कुछ निकालना है पार्टनर या ऐड करना है तो उसमें प्रोसीजर कम हल्का है. Limited liability of the partners and dissolution procedure are very easy. Incorporation of LLP. Subscription of name by 2 or more persons. It means minimum 2 persons should give their name. Filing of document to ROC with the prescribed fees. Compliance statement by 2 persons, either advocate, CS or CA or CWA and one of the proposed designated partner. Proposed partner कह सकते हैं आप. Contents of incorporation documents, name, proposed business, address of LLP, name, address of each of the partners and designated partners, all other prescribed informations. Issue of incorporation certificate by registrar within 14 days of submission of document. Registered office and change. Every LLP should have the registered office. A document may be served by sending it by post at the registered office and any other address specifically declared for communication. In case of change of place of registered office, notice should be filed to a registrar. If in contravention, to inform it means if office is changed but no information is given to the ROC, the penalty is 500 rupees per day, subject to maximum total 50,000. Name. The name of the words limited liability partnership or LLP will be the last word of the name of the LLP. No LLP registration by name which in the opinion of central government is undesirable or too similar with any other partnership firm, LLP or company or registered trademark. If name of LLP is identical or too similar with any other partnership firm, LLP or company or registered trademark, the central government may direct such LLP to change its name within 3 months, but on the application. So moto normally nahi kare. Step to incorporation of LLP, reservation of name of LLP. First step in form number 1, form 2, filing of documents for incorporation, and third, execution of LLP agreement and filing to register in 30 days of incorporation. So please prepare the sheet for self-assessment test. Good morning, Sudhanshu, Anshita, Abhinav, Smriti, Vibhu, Kunal is saying, sir, in paper which ink pen is allowed? Only black pen is allowed. Tanishka, good morning. Jeba, good morning. Unlisted public company which share is not listed in the any stock exchange. I think you have find in the topic of company law. Good morning, Tejashri, Ekta, Shivangi, Madia Khan, Bhumika, good morning, beta. Bhumika is saying, कल शायद ये प्रॉब्लम कल भी आई थी, Sir, if the LLP only one partner is carrying the business for more than 6 months, then his liability will be unlimited. It doesn't mean that LLP will be converted full proprietorship firm. No, there will be LLP, but liability like the sole proprietorship. अगर 6 महीने चले जाते हैं वो चेंज नहीं करता है, मतलब पार्टनर ऐड नहीं होता है कि पार्टनर हो सकती है, तो सोल प्रॉपर्टरशिप नहीं कहलाएगी, लेकिन लायबिलिटी सोल प्रॉपर्टरशिप की तरह हो जाएगी. Why any partnership business is called partnership firm or LLP firm, not partnership company or LLP company? Because company is a separate person, separate artificial person. इसलिए उसको हम partnership company नहीं कहेंगे. Company is separate, different. Sir, in my book, Bibu is in my book, minimum time is 182 days. मेरे बच्चे मैंने कल बताया था, लास्ट क्लास में बताया था, ये चेंज हो गया है. 182 काट के सही कर लो, 120 कर लो अमेंडमेंट के लिए. Sakshi is asking, sir, if in the exam we should write which is amended or which is there in textbook. But you have to write which is amended. That's why Institute has uploaded the amendments applicable for the November, December, whatever week exam. Good morning, Khushi, Lisa, good morning. Surya, beta, I have told you good morning. यार क्या बात कर रहा है? Parmita, good morning. Sanjana, good morning. Devesh. अच्छा, Anushka is saying, sir, आप amendment upload कर दीजिए. Okay, I will do for today. But Manvi is asking, sir, BOST classes और self studies exam पास हो सकता है? Definitely top भी कर सकते हो, ढंग से पढ़ोगे तो. Why only black pen is suggested in CA exam? Is there any logic? Yes, logic is that कि all the answer sheet are scanned. इसलिए अगर वो ब्लैक इंक में होंगी तो प्रॉपर स्कैन हो पाएंगी. ओके बच्चे, चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो यू रिमेम्बर दामोदर भाई? ओके, रिमेम्बर. First question before you. LLP bill was passed by the Parliament on 9th January 2007, 12th December 2008, 31st March 2009, none of the above. The answer is 12 December 2008 को ये पास किया गया, right? Which schedule of LLP Act 2008 deals with the conversion of private company into LLP? I think everybody knows the answer. The answer is third schedule. Next. Indian Partnership Act 1932 applicable to LLP. True or false? Please, no need to send the answer, bachcho. The answer is false. Provisions are not applicable to LLP. In case of LLP, liability is limited of LLP partners, both none. The answer is B. In case of LLP, the liability is limited for only partners. In case of death of all the partners, the existence of LLP comes to end. This statement is true or false? This is false statement. LLP never ends on the death of all the partners. What is the maximum limit of number of partners in LLP? 20, 50, 100, no limit. Lakshita beta, will you will get the answer of your query in this question. The answer is D. There is no limit. What is the minimum required capital for formation of LLP? 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh, no such requirement. The answer is no minimum requirement for capital. LLP can be formed for profit or charitable purpose. Yes, no, LLP can be formed for profit only. LLP can be formed for charitable purpose only, none of the above. The answer is B. LLP can be formed for profit only. Administration authority, in case of LLP, the registrar of firms, registrar of companies, both. None of the above. The answer is B, the registrar of companies. Having common seal is mandatory, true or false? It is false. It is not mandatory for LLP. Okay. So बच्चों, this was the test. Now come to the provisions. But before, Jyoti, good morning. Gunjan, good morning. Good morning, Vishnu. Aditya. Miss Bhargavi is asking, sir, please tell how to write answer in the exam, like quantity, quality of answer. I think I have discussed in my 10th lecture. Beta. Miss Sanjana is saying, sir, आपसे जब लॉ पढ़ते हैं बोरिंग नहीं होता. लॉ तो है ही नहीं बोरिंग यार. लॉ तो बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है. ऐसी बात करें बच्चे मेरे. Tanishka is asking, sir, in LLP, the liability of LLP is unlimited or limited? The liability of LLP is unlimited. The liability of partners in case of LLP is limited. Okay, मेरे बच्चे. Sir, if all the partners are died, then who will carry the business? I think if all the partners are died, then the decision will be taken by the court who will carry the business. But LLP will not end. Sir, if after 6 months, when liability of only partner becomes unlimited, and after say 10 months, a new partner is added, then what will be the liability? That in that case, the liability is limited from the date in which the new partner is added, but up to the date, the single partner who's carrying the business will be liable unlimitedly. Bhumika sir, I got 9 on 10. Good beta, good. Sankalp is saying thank you to Damodar Bhai. Thank you, Sankalp from Damodar Bhai. So Dhanshu, who called registrar and who appoint them? That is the part of the government, beta. Government will appoint the registrar. Today we will discuss. Effect of registration. After the registration, the LLP becomes an artificial person. It will work like a person. That's good. Abdul is saying, sir, I see everything where the perspective of law in my daily life since I am studying law. Definitely. जब आप लॉ को ढंग से पढ़ लेंगे ना तो आपको सब जगह लॉ दिखाई देगी. इवन कुछ भी सामान सब्जी भी खरीदने जाएंगे ना तो आपको लॉ दिखाई देगी. सर कोई एग्जाम में बाई चांस ब्लू पेन से आंसर कर दे तो मार्क्स मिलेंगे. अब ये तो बेटा मैं नहीं कह सकता. Ashleep is asking, sir, LLP तो पार्टनर से बनी है तो उसकी लाइबिलिटी भी तो लिमिटेड होनी चाहिए. नहीं, the answer is no. The purpose of the LLP is just to make the liability of partner limited. बट अगर मान लीजिए आप जो बिजनेस जिस तरह बिजनेस कर रहे हैं उसकी लाइबिलिटी लिमिटेड हो तो फिर बिजनेस कैसे होगा? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट द टॉपिक. कल जहां तक पढ़ा था उसके आगे से पढ़ रहे हैं बच्चों अपन. पार्टनर्स and their relations. First is eligibility to be a partner, section 22. On the incorporation of LLP, the person who subscribe their name to the incorporation documents shall be the partner. That called first partners. And any other person may become a partner of LLP by and in accordance with the LLP agreement. We have discussed now. At the time of formation of LLP, the two names are submitted to ROC. So those person will be the first partner of LLP. Mutual rights and duties of LLP and its partners shall be governed by LLP agreement between the partner and between LLP and its partner. The LLP agreement, any changes to be filed to registrar in prescribed form, in prescribed manner, and with the prescribed fees. Very simple. Agreement in writing made before the important point. Agreement in writing made before the incorporation of LLP between person who subscribe their name to the incorporation document may impose obligation on the LLP, provided such agreement is ratified by all the partners after the incorporation of LLP. This point is basically saying कि if there is an agreement before the incorporation of LLP, अब आप कहेंगे सर LLP से पहले कैसे हो जाएगा? भाई मान लीजिए डॉक्यूमेंट के लिए आपने किसी प्रोफेशनल को हायर किया डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट करने के लिए, तो दैट एग्रीमेंट जो हुआ किसी प्रोफेशनल से, उनके लिए कौन लायबल होगा? इफ एनी प्रोफेशनल इज हायर्ड फॉर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट फॉर इनकॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ LLP, देन क्वेश्चन अराइजेस, who will be liable for these agreements? Whether LLP will be liable? The answer is no, because at the time of agreement there was no LLP. Then who will be liable? The person who actually entered the agreement. But these agreements are called pre-incorporation agreement. These agreements, if ratified, confirmed by all the partners after the incorporation of LLP, then LLP will be liable. भाई एग्रीमेंट हुआ किसी प्रोफेशनल, मान लीजिए चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट से कि भाई आप ये हमारे डॉक्यूमेंट तैयार कर दीजिए और इसके बदले में हम आपको फीस पे करेंगे. और ये एग्रीमेंट कब हुआ? इनकॉर्पोरेशन से पहले. जब वो डॉक्यूमेंट तैयार हो गए उसके बाद ही इनकॉर्पोरेशन हुआ. सवाल ये उठता है उसके लिए लायबल कौन होगा? तो LLP तो लायबल नहीं होगी. लेकिन अगर LLP बनने के बाद सारे पार्टनर LLP बनने के बाद सारे पार्टनर उसको एक्सेप्ट कर ले। LLP बनने के बाद सारे पार्टनर उसको एक्सेप्ट कर ले कि हाँ ठीक है हम एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं भाई, कंफर्म कर रहे हैं, तो LLP लायबल हो जाएगी। इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ एनी एग्रीमेंट as to any matter, point number 4, in the absence of agreement as to any matter, the mutual rights and duties of the partners and the mutual rights and duties of the LP and the partner shall be determined by the provisions set out in the first schedule. It means if something is missing in the agreement, partnership agreement, and question issue arises, then we have to follow first schedule. We have to follow the first schedule. We have to follow the first schedule. ठीक है? Cessation of partnership interest. Cessation of partnership interest, section 24. The person may cease to be, session was the end of the partnership interest. Person may cease to be a partner of LLP in accordance with the agreement by giving a notice in writing of not less than 30 days to the other partners of his intention to resign as partner. Means if a partner want to give the resignation, a partner may cease to be partner in accordance with the agreement. मतलब जो agreement terms लिखी होंगी उसके according retire हो जाएगा. But he has to give the notice in writing of at least 30 days to other partners that he is going to retire from the firm after 30. And the person shall cease. In these cases, it is compulsorily end of the partnership interest. Partner shall cease to be a partner on the death or dissolution of LLP, on his death or dissolution of his LLP, if he is declared to be unsound mind by competent court, or if he has applied to be adjudged as insolvent or declared as the insolvent. Means अगर किसी पार्टनर की डेथ हो जाती है या फर्म डिसॉल्व हो जाती है तो वो कंपल्सरीली दैट इज एंड ऑफ द पार्टनरशिप. इफ पार्टनर बिकम अनसाउंड माइंड then the partnership interest is end. If he has applied to be declared as insolvent or declared insolvent, in both cases the partner will the interest of partner in partnership firm is end. So there are 3 cases. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Former partner, important point. The descriptive question may be asked on this point. Former partner is to be regarded still being a partner of LLP unless a notice has been delivered to registrar by former partner or LLP. Former partner is to be regarded still being a partner of LLP unless a notice has been delivered to registrar by former partner or LLP. It means the notice can be given to ROC of end of the partnership or resignation of the partner by the partner or by LLP. Even after cessation, or if a notice is not given, then partner will continue to be liable up to the date when notice is given. अगर एक पार्टनर रिटायर हो रहा है या छोड़ के जा रहा है लेकिन वो इन्फॉर्म नहीं करता, तो इन्फॉर्म कोई भी कर सकता है ROC को, चाहे तो पार्टनर कर सकता है वही या LLP कर सकती है, दोनों में से किसी ने इन्फॉर्म नहीं किया. In that case, what will happen? पार्टनर की लायबिलिटी अभी भी चलेगी क्योंकि ROC को तो पता ही नहीं है ना कि वो पार्टनर रिटायर हो चुका है. Even after cessation of a partner from LLP, the partner will still be liable for any obligation which is incurred while being a partner. For example, the partner has retired from LLP on 30th September. Then he will be liable for all the acts done up to 30th September. भाई जब तक वो पार्टनर था तब तक की लायबिलिटी तो सब होगी. पार्टनरशिप खत्म होने के बाद ऐसा नहीं कह सकते कि तुम रूठे हम छूटे तो मतलब होगा तुम्हारी लायबिलिटी खत्म. नो, he will be liable for the period in which he was the partner. Where a partner of LLP ceases to be a partner, the former partner or person entitled to his share in consequence of his death, that is legal heir, or insolvency, official assignee, of the former partner shall be entitled to receive LLP. देखो भाई, अगर पार्टनर रिटायर होता है या मर जाता है या क्या इंसॉल्वेंट हो जाता है, रिटायर होता है तो वो पार्टनर खुद, मर जाता है, डेथ हो जाती है तो लीगल हेयर, और इंसॉल्वेंट हो जाता है तो ऑफिशियल असाइन. We are talking about the cases of the LLP ceases, partner is ceased to be partner of LLP. Then if partner is in existence, then partner. If partner is dead, then his legal heir. Or if partner is insolvent, then the official assignee will be entitled to what he will claim from the firm, an amount equal to capital contribution of that partner he actually made, and the share in profit after reducing the losses. It means net profit. क्या क्लेम करेगा? अगर एक पार्टनर चला जाता है, तीन तरीके से जाएगा, या तो वो छोड़ रेजिग्नेशन दे रहा है, रिटायरमेंट ले रहा है, या उसकी डेथ हो जाती है, या वो इंसॉल्वेंट हो जाता है. तो रिटायरमेंट ले रहा है या रिजाइन कर रहा है तो वो खुद, डेथ हो गई तो लीगल हेयर, और अगर वो इंसॉल्वेंट हो गया है तो ऑफिशियल असाइनी. क्या क्लेम करेगा? दो चीज क्लेम करेगा, जो कैपिटल उसको दी थी फर्म में वो, और जो उसका प्रॉफिट में शेयर कर, सारे लॉसेस को लेस कर. क्लियर इतनी बात? फॉर्मर पार्टनर or a person entitled to his share in consequence of the death or insolvency of former partner shall not have any right to interfere in the management of the LLP. अलग होने के बाद, after being ceased to be a partner, he will not have any right to interfere in the management of LLP. He will not interfere in the management of LLP. Right? He can claim his share, but will not interfere in the management. Registration of change in the partners. Important again. Just taking your queries, बच्चों. Sir, syllabus कब तक finish हो जाएगा? I think decision will be taken by the BOS, but you will have the proper time, sufficient time for revision. अंजना, I am talking again the same concept as per in your company. कंपनी में भी यही होता है कि कंपनी की लायबिलिटी लिमिटेड होती है, पार्टनर्स की लायबिलिटी लिमिटेड होती है. भाई जो बिजनेस कर रही है उसकी लायबिलिटी अनलिमिटेड होगी ना, उसको सारी एसेट से अपनी लायबिलिटी चुकानी पड़ेगी. Sir, is it compulsory for registration of LLP? Yes. Without registration, there is no LLP. Sir, as per section 17, how many times LLP will change their name? जब चाहो कर लो, anytime. सर, आगरा में कोई बिग 4 की ब्रांच है क्या आर्टिकलशिप की प्रैक्टिस के लिए? नो, देयर इज नो बिग फर्म. गुड मॉर्निंग प्रियंका मैडम. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Every partner shall inform LLP of any change in his name or address within 15 days. It means if there is change in the name and address of partner, that will be informed by partner to LLP within 15 days. अगर किसी पार्टनर के नाम में चेंज हुआ या एड्रेस में चेंज हुआ तो उसे 15 दिन के अंदर इन्फॉर्म करना पड़ेगा किसको? LLP कि भैया हमारा नाम या एड्रेस चेंज हो. Then LLP, then what LLP will do? LLP shall, where a person become or ceases to be a partner, admission or retirement, file a notice with registrar in 30 days from the date he becomes or ceases to be a partner. Yeah, it means from the date of appointment or from the date of cessation, within 30 days, it will inform to ROC. Where there is change in the name or address of partner, a notice with ROC within 30 days. Simple the फंडा है, पार्टनर के नाम और एड्रेस में चेंज हुआ तो 15 दिन में इन्फॉर्म करेगा, और LLP 30 दिन के अंदर ROC को इन्फॉर्म. ठीक है. Notice filed with registrar under subsection 2 shall be in the prescribed form and with prescribed fees. signed by the designated partners, and if this form is for information is for admission of new partner, then consent of the new partner should also be submitted to the ROC. Clear? अगर नए पार्टनर्स की इंफॉर्मेशन दी जा रही है तो उसकी कंसेंट कि भैया मैं पार्टनरशिप में काम करने को तैयार हूँ, मैं एज ए पार्टनर काम करूंगा, क्योंकि लायबिलिटी बन जाएगी उसकी, तो उसकी कंसेंट हमें चाहिए और वो कंसेंट सबमिट की जाएगी आरओसी। ठीक है, आरओसी नहीं है बेटा, अरे मेरी बिटिया ज्योति is asking sir what is the meaning of ROC? ROC नहीं, I am talking about ROC, रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ कंपनीज। ठीक है, ऐसा मत करो बच्चों। रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ चेंजेस इन पार्टनर्स सेक्शन 25 में वही बात टॉकिंग, उसी में चल रहे हैं हम लोग। If LLP, important point, please remember first, second, third. First, partner will inform LLP. Second, LLP will inform ROC. And third, what the document should be there. ठीक है। If contravention in subsection 2 informing, then penalty is 10,000. किस पर? LLP और पार्टनर पर। इफ वन में कुछ दिक्कत आती है, यानी कि पार्टनर इन्फॉर्म नहीं करता है, तो पेनल्टी किस पर? पार्टनर पर। कितने रुपए की? 10,000। क्लियर? पर्सन हु सीजेस टू बी ए पार्टनर, इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट वंस अगेन, who ceases to be a partner of LLP may himself file with the registrar the notice in subsection 3. He has reasonable cause to believe that the LLP may not file the notice with the registrar, and the registrar shall obtain a confirmation to this effect from LLP unless the LLP has also filed such notice. Means the information about the admission or retirement of partner to be submitted to ROC. ROC means Registrar of Companies by LLP. But if partner thinks that LLP will not inform to Registrar of Companies, will not inform to Registrar of Companies, ROC, then he may file himself the notice to the registrar. But if the notice is submitted by the partner, not by LLP, then registrar will take the confirmation from LLP about such change. मतलब क्या हुआ कि मान लीजिए कोई पार्टनर आ रहा है, आया LLP में या चला गया LLP से, उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन, उसकी नोटिस देना है ROC को, रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ कंपनीज को। क्या नोटिस देना है कि सर ये पार्टनर नया ऐड हुआ है या चला गया, 30 दिन के अंदर, 30 डेज के अंदर। अब उस पार्टनर को ऐसा लगता है यार ये LLP गड़बड़ कर रही है, LLP वाले भेजेंगे नहीं नोटिस, इन्फॉर्म नहीं करेंगे, तो वो खुद भी कर सकता है। लेकिन इस केस में रजिस्ट्रार एक बार LLP को भेजेगा इंफॉर्मेशन कि भाई ऐसे ऐसे हमारे पास लेटर आया है कि कोई पार्टनर ऐड हो रहा है या आपके यहाँ से जा रहा है, क्या ये बात सही है? बट भेज दिया, बट LLP does not reply within 15 days. LLP does not reply within 15 days of such information by registrar to LLP. Then registrar shall register the notice made by person ceasing to be a partner under this section. क्या मतलब हुआ बच्चों? रजिस्ट्रार को ये लगता है, रजिस्ट्रार को भेजेगा इंफॉर्मेशन LLP को, LLP ने कोई जवाब नहीं दिया 15 दिन के अंदर, तो ये मान लेगा कि जो इंफॉर्मेशन से मिली है, किस बारे में मिली है? पार्टनर के ऐड होने की या सेक्शन, नॉर्मली सेक्शन का ही होता है मामला, रिटायरमेंट के मामला होता है, तो वो सही मान के उसे रजिस्टर, फिर वो दोबारा उसको नोटिस नहीं भेजेगा पूछने के लिए कि भैया बताओ तुम क्या कर रहे हो क्या नहीं। ठीक है, तो क्या टॉपिक पॉइंट था ये कि अगर LLP इन्फॉर्म नहीं करती है ROC को, तो ROC खुद, तो पार्टनर खुद दे सकता है ROC को इंफॉर्मेशन, एंड ROC एक बार कंफर्म करेगा LLP से, 15 दिन का टाइम देगा, 15 दिन में जवाब नहीं आया तो वो कंफर्मेशन मानता है। ठीक है, now topic is extent and limitation of liability of LLP and the partner. This question 27 is asked in November 2019. Okay, let's discuss. Gurleen is saying, sir, what is the difference between adjudged as an insolvent and declared as an insolvent? Adjudged is the right word because the decision is taken by the court. Okay, but in general language it can be said that declared as insolvent. But in normal language, I think they are both. He has declared insolvent himself कि मैं insolvent हूँ, but decision taken by the court कि वास्तव में insolvent है कि नहीं है. So that is called adjustment of insolvent. Section 23 हो गया बच्चे. Sir, Lakshita is saying, sir, we have only 2 months to complete our course. What you are saying, beta? Pandav has won the Mahabharata in just 18 days. You have 2 months. एकता is asking, sir, अगर एक पार्टनर कोई मिस्टेक करता है तो उसके लिए एलएलपी को पनिश किया जाएगा in form of penalty, then which partner will pay? I think this problem will be discussed in the next hour. Ishita is saying, sir, can you explain all the points again? In Hindi of cessation of partnership interest. Okay, beta, I will try. I will try. Sir, according to Indian Partnership Act, the limited number of partners are 50 coming to LLP. Why is it unlimited? अब बेटा ये तो कहना बड़ा मुश्किल है. Actually मेरे हिसाब से जो रीजन है कि सब इसमें लिमिटेड क्यों नहीं है पार्टनर्स, वहां भी पार्टनरशिप एक्ट में लिमिटेशन नहीं है 50 की. कंपनीज एक्ट में लिमिटेशन लिखा हुआ है. उसमें लिखा हुआ है कि 50 के ऊपर होंगे तो कंपनी में इनकॉर्पोरेट करना पड़ेगा. Company and LLP both covered by same authority, that is registrar of companies. इसलिए वहां जरूरत नहीं है शायद. Meenakshi is sir designated partner. We have discussed in the last class video. Chitran is asking, sir, 2,000 to 25,000 penalty is cancelled. Why? Beta, why? So sorry. What is the law? For that is I am here to inform what is the law. Why the law? बड़ा मुश्किल होगा कहना भी. Contravene मतलब default. आज ये चैप्टर फिनिश हो जाएगा क्या सर? डेफिनेटली हो जाएगा बेटे. Gunjan is asking, sir, it means if LLP don't reply within 15 days, then their silence will equal to acceptance. Yes, specifically given. Sir, MCQs are confusing sometimes. Then what we should do? I think the only is if you have you will do revision, revise 2 or 3 times. That will be easy for you. देखिए भैया लॉ तो जब भी समझ में आएगी जब आप उसको 2-3 बार पढ़ोगे. वो टिप्स पे आ जानी चाहिए फिर प्रोविजंस. यहाँ पर ये ऐसे था ऐसे था ऐसे था. और कई बार तो ऐसा लगता है मुझे, जो मेरा अपना ओपिनियन है, कई बार लगता है लॉ तो बिल्कुल जो लॉजिकल है वही लॉ है, जो लॉजिक है वही लॉ है. तो कई बार डिसीजन हम अपने लॉजिक से ले लेते हैं तो वही मेरे ख्याल से लॉ लगती है. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं बच्चे. पार्टनर इज एन एजेंट, सेक्शन 26. Every partner of LLP is for the purpose of business of LLP is the agent of LLP, but not other partners. Means the other partner will not be liable for the act of any partner, but LLP will be liable if the work is done during the course of business. अगर एक पार्टनर जो पार्टनर होता है वो एजेंट होता है LLP का, बाकी पार्टनर एजेंट नहीं है. एक एजेंट के कामों के लिए LLP लायबल होगी, पार्टनर लायबल नहीं. Extent of liability of LLP, section 27. LLP is not bound, please listen. LLP is not bound by anything done by partner in dealing with a person, that is third person. If partner has no authority to act for the LLP in doing a particular act, and important thing is and the person knows, person means third person, knows that he has no authority or does not know or believe him to be partner of the LLP. क्या मतलब कि नॉर्मल केस में LLP लायबल होती है पार्टनर के कामों के लिए अगर ड्यूरिंग द कोर्स ऑफ बिजनेस हो रहा है, लेकिन अगर पार्टनर को अथॉरिटी नहीं है और ये बात उस थर्ड पर्सन को मालूम है जिससे पार्टनर डील कर रहा है, तो फिर LLP लायबल नहीं। क्लियर? Extent of liability of LLP, section 27. LLP is liable if a partner of LLP is liable to any person as a result of wrongful act or omission on this part in the course of business of LLP with its authority. It means if partner is authorized to do any work by the LLP, then for his work, his act, LLP will be liable. अगर एक पार्टनर LLP के जो द्वारा ऑथराइज किया गया वो काम कर रहा है, उसमें गलती होती है, कुछ बिगड़ता है, तो उसके लिए LLP लायबल। The obligation of LLP, whether arising in the contract or otherwise, shall be solely the obligation of the LLP. The liabilities of LLP will be made out of the property of LLP. So one thing, I think in summary, I can say that partner is for any act of the partner, LLP will be liable if he is authorized. But even that, other partners will not be liable. And the other partner doing something on behalf of LLP for which he is authorized, the LLP will be liable and LLP has to pay out of his property. अगर कोई पार्टनर LLP द्वारा ऑथराइज है किसी काम करने के लिए, वो गलती हो जाती है, नुकसान हो जाता है कि थर्ड पर्सन को, तो उसके लिए LLP लायबल होगी और LLP को अपनी प्रॉपर्टी में से वो पैसा चुकाना पड़ेगा। क्लियर? पार्टनर इज नॉट पर्सनली लायबल फॉर द ऑब्लिगेशन ऑफ LLP. पार्टनर जितना पैसा लाए हैं वहीं तक के लायबल है, जो पैसा दिया है उसी तक के लायबल है, घर से कोई पैसा नहीं देगा, जैसा कि पार्टनरशिप एक्ट में होता है। A partner is personally liable for his wrongful act or omission, but a partner shall not be personally liable for the wrongful act or omission of any other partner of LLP. अगर मान लीजिए एक पार्टनर को ऑथराइज किया गया LLP के द्वारा, उसने जानबूझ के गलती करी, तो थर्ड पर्सन तो LLP चुकाएगी, लेकिन LLP इससे क्लेम करेगी। उस काम के लिए वो पर्सनली लायबल हो जाएगा, उसने अगर जानबूझ के गलती की है, लेकिन अदर पार्टनर लायबल नहीं। If a partner is authorized by LLP to do something during the course of business, and he knowingly made the mistake and there is loss to third person, then LLP will be liable. And LLP will claim from the partner. He will personally liable, but other partner will not be liable for that. Clear? Now partnership by holding out, same as like in Partnership Act, concept is same. If any person, let's say first person, who by words spoken or written or by his conduct represent himself or knowingly permits himself to be represented to be a partner in LLP, is liable to any person, let's say other person, who has on the faith of any such representation given credit to the LLP. The same concept as in case of partnership firm. कि अगर एक आदमी अपने आप को ऐसा रिप्रेजेंट करता है कि वो फर्म का पार्टनर है, तो वो क्या माना जाएगा? पार्टनर बाय होल्डिंग। क्लियर? However, now important, however, where any credit is received, that means benefit is received by the LLP as a result of such representation, the LLP will be liable to the extent of such credit or such benefit. अगर वो होल्डिंग आउट पार्टनर बन जाता है और एलएलपी को फायदा मिलता है, तो फायदे तक का जो लॉस होगा वो एलएलपी को भुगतना। फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक आदमी ने ये बताया कि मैं पार्टनर हूँ, तो वो क्या बन गया, पार्टनर बाय होल्डिंग आउट, कितने रुपए, और इस पास से कंपनी को, एलएलपी को 1 लाख का फायदा हुआ। जब लॉस होगा तो 1 लाख तक का जो फायदा हुआ है वो चुकाना पड़ेगा एलएलपी। वेयर आफ्टर द पार्टनर्स डेथ द बिजनेस इज कंटिन्यूड इन द सेम एलएलपी नेम, his legal representative or his estate shall not be liable for any act of LLP done after the death. Very simple. अगर जो पार्टनर की डेथ हो जाती है उसके बाद जो भी काम होंगे उसके लिए इसके लीगल लायबल नहीं। Unlimited liability in case of fraud. If any act carried out by LLP or his partners with intention to defraud the creditors of the LLP or any other person or for any fraudulent purpose, the liability of LLP and partners shall be unlimited. This means if the work intention to do anything is just to fraud, then liability is unlimited. And every person who was knowingly a party to above act shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 5 years. पहले ये 2 साल थी, now it is 5 years and fine 50,000 to 5. Clear? So this is time for super over 3. Abhinav beta, you are asking partnership is limited liability and company unlimited is correct. I am not getting what you want to ask. Please अपनी बात को clear करो जरा. Sir, undischarged insolvent is same as normal insolvent. Undischarged insolvent means the person is even a insolvent. अभी वो उसको कोर्ट ने clear नहीं किया है. Sir, what is the reason behind LLP has no limit? I think this is the additional benefit to LLP. Actually, we have to merge the benefits of company also in LLP. So we have, I think lawmakers have decided to ignore the limit, maximum limit. Someone is asking, sir, if third person no, then LLP will not be liable. Third person and the person dealing with that third person will be liable. जिस पार्टनर डील किया है और थर्ड पर्सन दोनों आपस में निपटो भैया, एलएलपी का कोई यूज नहीं है, एलएलपी का कोई इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं। चलो भैया आते हैं सुपर ओवर 3 पर, क्योंकि बहुत सारा पढ़ना बाकी है अभी। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, प्लीज सेंड ऑल द आंसर्स इन वन शॉट। बेटे फ्रॉड के केस में सिंपल सा फंडा है। अगर देखो 2 चीज है, अगर अभी हम क्या कहते हैं पार्टनरशिप लायबिलिटी लिमिटेड है, लेकिन पर्पस पार्टनरशिप एलएलपी का ये है कि साहब और पार्टनर का कि किसी को फ्रॉड करना है, किसी के साथ फ्रॉड करना है, जानबूझ के धोखा देना है, इस केस में लायबिलिटी अनलिमिटेड हो जाएगी। ठीक है, और जो भी इन्वॉल्व होगा इसके साथ उनको जेल हो जाएगी 5 साल की, और साथ में फाइन 50,000 से 5 लाख। ठीक है, बेटे मुझे लगता है जो आप अभिनव आप कहना चाह रहे हो, शायद मैं समझ पा रहा हूं, तो इन एलएलपी द लायबिलिटी ऑफ LLP is unlimited, but partners is limited. Same way in the company, the liability of shareholders is limited, but liability of company is unlimited. But in case of unlimited company, the liability of shareholders, that is called members, is unlimited. In partnership firm, the liability of partners as well as partnership firm is unlimited. Okay. Person shall cease to be a partner of LLP on his death or dissolution of LLP if he is declared to be unsound mind by a competent court, if he has applied to be adjudged as an insolvent or declared as insolvent, all of the above. Please. Second question. Even after cessation of a partner from LLP, partner will not be liable for any obligations. Please understand this question. Even after cessation of a partner from LLP, partner will not be liable for any obligation. Yes, partner will still be liable for any obligation which he incurred while being a partner. Both of the above, none of the above. Third question. Where a partner of LLP ceases to be a partner, the former partner will be entitled to receive from LLP amount equal to the capital contribution, his right to share in the accumulated profit of LLP, both, none of the above. In case of any change, question number 4, in the name or address of any partner, that partner shall inform LLP within 7 days, 10 days, 15 days, 30 days. In case of any change in the name or address of any partner, LLP shall inform registrar within 7 days, 10 days, 15 days, 30 days. Six, in case of LLP, the partners are agent of LLP, other partners, both A and B, none of the above. Before going for the break and taking the answer of these super over, I'm just taking a quick revision of section 23, 27, 28. Okay. Mr. Adisha is asking, sir, exam institute will ask the maximum question from this chapter because it has new amendments. I don't think so. कि ऐसा होगा कि साहब अमेंडमेंट होने से ये थोड़ी ना कि सारे क्वेश्चन में पूछेंगे, ऐसा नहीं लगता, मुझे तो नहीं लगता ऐसा एटलीस्ट. So once section 23 section says कि भैया mutual rights and duties of LLP and the partner will be decided as per the agreement. और वो एग्रीमेंट या तो कोई चेंजेस होते हैं तो रजिस्ट्रार को सबमिट करना पड़ेगा विद इन टाइम विद फीस. अगर कोई एग्रीमेंट ऐसा है जो एलएलपी बनने से पहले हुआ था, वो क्या कहलाएगा, प्री इनकॉर्पोरेशन. उसके लिए एलएलपी तभी लायबल होगी जब सारे पार्टनर इनकॉर्पोरेशन होने के बाद तैयार हो जाएंगे उन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए. अगर वो तैयार नहीं होते हैं तो जितने वो डील किया हुआ थर्ड पर्सन के वो पर्सन लायबल होगा. राइट। अगर कोई एग्रीमेंट नहीं बनता है पार्टनरशिप का, तो जो फर्स्ट शेड्यूल है उसके प्रोविजन एज इट इज एप्लीकेबल हो जाएगी। ठीक है, ये तो 23 नंबर हो गया। नाउ 27 says in case of acts or wrongful acts of the partner, LLP will not be liable if partner has no authority and the person, that is third person, has the knowledge that he has no right, the partner has no right. LLP, कोई पार्टनर गलत काम करता है तो उसके लिए LLP लाइबल नहीं होगी। सिर्फ दो कंडीशन में, दोनों होनी चाहिए साथ में। क्या? कि पार्टनर पर अथॉरिटी ना हो और जिससे वो डील कर रहा है उसे पता हो कि पार्टनर पर अथॉरिटी नहीं है। अगर पार्टनर को अथॉरिटी है, वो विदिन स्कोप काम कर रहा है, तो उसके लिए LLP लाइबल होगी। ठीक है, और LLP अपनी असेट्स में से इसको पे आउट करेगी। ठीक है, पार्टनर पर्सनली लाइबल नहीं होता LLP के कामों के लिए, लेकिन पार्टनर ने कुछ गलत किया है, तो अथॉरिटी दी गई, जानबूझ गलत काम किया है, तो वो लाइबल हो जाएगा पर्सनली। अदर पार्टनर लाइबल नहीं होंगे। इट मीन सपोज एक पार्टनर है मिस्टर ए, उसे ऑथराइज किया कि आपको माल खरीदना है। अब वो माल खरीदने के पैसे लिए लेके भाग गया, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के पैसे लेके भाग गया, तो LLP को पेमेंट तो करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन LLP उससे वसूल लेगी, इससे पार्टनर से। क्लियर इतनी बात? सो कम टू द आंसर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। अब तो क्लियर हो गया हो बच्चे मेरे? फर्स्ट इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव। सेकेंड, ये तो मुझे लग रहा है कई बच्चों ने गलत किया होगा, मुझे तो ऐसी उम्मीद है। बोथ। सर हाउ? पढ़ो क्वेश्चन ध्यान से, प्लीज रीड द क्वेश्चन। इवन आफ्टर cessation of partnership from the LLP, partner will not be liable for any obligation. Answer is yes. Then यानी A clear, A हमारा correct है, then B is also. Partner will still be liable for any obligation which is incurred while being a partner. So both are correct. So answer is C. Clear? Third, where a partner of LLP ceases to be a partner, the former partner shall be entitled to receive from LLP. Answer is C. Both. In case of any change, partner will inform to in 15 days. Next, LP will inform in 30 days. Partners are agent of only LLP, right? So let's see. अभी तक सारे क्वेश्चन जो आपने भेजे हैं, केवल सेकंड का आंसर गलत है आप लोगों का, जो मुझे लग रहा है। First person who has given all the correct answer is Mr. Devendra Kushwaha. Mr. Vibhu Pandey. Miss Anjana. Miss Arshdeep. So Priya is saying, sir, second ball is googly ball. दोबारा डिस्कस कर लेते हैं बच्चों मेरे. Listen, read question carefully. अच्छा एक काम करते हैं, just leave option B, C and D. Okay, just read only option A after the question. Even after cessation of a partner from the LLP, partner will not be liable for any obligation. Answer is yes. Okay, it's correct है. ये तो सही हो गया ना. ये B में एक एक्सेप्शन और ऐड कर दी हमने, तो A भी सही है और B भी सही है. The correct answer is C, because C is covering both A and B. So now this place we have a break of 5 minutes. Then we will finish the topic in next hour. Okay, बच्चों? So have a break of 5 minutes. ओके ओके बच्चों, स्टार्ट करते हैं। Sir, Asha is asking, sir, amendment is only in LLP or is whole book or business law amended? Bete, the amendment in only two acts, LLP and Companies Act. I don't think there is amendment in the Contract Act. There is no amendment in Contract Act, no amendment in Sale of Good Act, and no amendment in Partnership Act. Okay? So let's start section 34. अरे बाप रे, इतनी लंबी प्रॉब्लम मोहित ने भेजी है मुझे। क्या लिखा है, एक मिनट पढ़ लेते हैं बच्चों को, है ना, फिर आगे चलते हैं। A booked the Ola bike ride to go from X place to Y place. B, the Ola bike rider got notification on the app to pick up A, and through his app accepted to pick A from X place to Y place. B reached to X place and waited for 15 minutes. After that, A came and Ola bike rider pick up her and started the ride, and few moments later, when A was sitting and B got a call from mother, then I am not well, come soon. B left the A on 99% way completed and told her that I need to leave from home and my mother is not well. A said to B that only in 15 seconds I will reach destination point. You can go home and take care of your mother. After listening this B on this app, finish the ride. A few moments later, B has not received his amount and on app reason was started that 100% ride is not finished. Referring to above case, state whether B can claim his amount as per the provisions. Okay. आई थिंक जो आपकी प्रॉब्लम है वो ये है कि ओला बाइक राइडर ने किसी को पिक किया और उसके बाद जब वो राइड नियर टू कंप्लीट थी, उसको कहीं जाना पड़ा, उसको कहीं कॉल आ गया जो ड्राइवर था राइड का, और उसने वहीं पे फिनिश कर दी बट पेमेंट नहीं आया, तो क्या वो क्लेम कर सकता है? द आंसर इज नो, बिकॉज राइड इज नॉट कंप्लीट। कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग परफॉर्मेंस तो हुआ ही नहीं ना बच्चे, तो क्लेम नहीं कर सकता। तो भाई आगे बढ़ते हैं। मैं सेक्शन 30 एंड 31 के लिए क्वेरी आई है, तो देखते हैं, अगर टाइम मिलता है तो डेफिनेटली आई विल टेक, ओके, एट द एंड। मेंटेनेंस ऑफ फाइनेंशियल डिस्क्लोजर्स डिस्कस कर रहे हैं बेटे अपन। मेंटेनेंस ऑफ बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स, अदर रिकॉर्ड्स एंड ऑडिट एटसेट्रा, सेक्शन 34। द एलएलपी शैल मेंटेन सच प्रिस्क्राइब्ड बुक्स of account relating to its affair for each year of its existence on cash basis or accrual basis, and the according to double entry system of accounting, and shall maintain the same at its registered office for prescribed period. The every LLP shall, important is within 6 months from the end of the each financial year, shall prepare a statement of account and solvency for the said financial year and shall be signed by the designated partner of the LLP. मतलब सिंपल सा फंडा है, 31 मार्च से 6 महीने 30 सितंबर तक, पिछले साल जो 31 मार्च को खत्म हुआ है उस तक के अकाउंट्स आपको प्रिपेयर करने हैं, उसके फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट आपको बना के रखने हैं, जिन्हें वो डेजिग्नेटेड पार्टनर साइन करें। The statement of accounts and solvency, it means in a normal language you can say it is balance sheet or financial statements, shall be filed with the registrar every year in the prescribed form and manner and with the prescribed fees. The accounts of LLP shall be audited as per the guidelines of the LLP. Penalties for subsection 3. What is the subsection 3? Submission of accounts to registrar. The penalty is 100 rupees per day up to maximum 1 lakh for LLP, and designated partner 100 rupees per day up to maximum 50,000. But for point subsection 1, 2 and 4, 1 क्या है? मेंटेन करना, 2 क्या है? साइन करना, एंड 4 क्या है? ऑडिट। इन 3 के लिए पेनल्टी कितनी है एलएलपी में? एलएलपी के लिए 25,000 to 5 lakh and for designated partner 10,000 to 1 lakh. So remember, In this section, penalty is different for section 3 and penalty is different for section 1, 2 and 4. अंजना बिटिया सेइंग सर प्लीज एक बार रिपीट कर दीजिए, मैं पानी लाने में लेट हो गई। कोई बात नहीं बेटा, मैं करता हूँ, डोंट वरी। ओके, सेक्शन 34 की समरी क्या है कि एवरी एलएलपी शेल प्रिपेयर प्रेस्क्राइब बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स, शेल prepare the financial statement within 6 months from the end of the financial year. थर्ड क्या कहता है, this statement should be submitted to ROC within the time in prescribed form. फोर्थ कहता है these books of account should be audited. फोर्थ, 4 प्रोविजन हो गए। penalty for default in subsection 3 is 1000 to 1 lakh for LLP and 100 per day to maximum 1 lakh for LLP and 100 per day to maximum 50,000 for designated partner, right? But in default of provisions of section 1, 2 and 4 means you are not maintaining the accounts. Second, you are not preparing the financial statement within 6 months. Fourth, you are not getting the accounts audited. The penalty is 25,000 to 5 lakhs for LLP and 10,000 to 1 lakh for 1,000 to 1 lakh for partners. Clear? Beta, point number 5 and 6 is not in my book. Beta, these are the amendments. Okay, that is the amended. This section was newly inserted, not very much important, but practical point of view it is important. Central government in consultation with the National Financial Reporting Authority (NFRA) prescribe the standards of accounting and prescribe the standards of auditing. ठीक है, simple, it's not very much important, but section 34 says कि central government decide करेगी कि accounting standard क्या होंगे और auditing standard क्या होंगे, right? Annual returns, section 35. Every LLP shall file an annual return within 60 days of the disclosure of financial year in the prescribed form and manner with prescribed fees. यानी कि एक स्टेटमेंट जाएगा आरओसी को फाइनेंशियल खत्म होने के 60 दिन के अंदर. इट मींस फाइनेंशियल इज एंडिंग ऑन 31st March. The date is 30th May. Up to 30th May, this statement should be filed to ROC. If not filing, the penalty is 100 per day for maximum 1 lakh and designated partner 100 per day, maximum 50,000. Same as for subsection 3. Anjana is saying thank you Guruji, thank you beta ji. चलो गुरलीन रिपीट कर दिया बेटे मैंने. Mohit is saying नहीं, okay, Mohit is saying sir, Mohit, the problem of bike was from Mohit and he is saying sir he can claim damages as much as I earned. No, I don't think as per law bike rider, because the ride was not completed, cannot claim anything. Now conversion of LLP firm into LLP, section 55 says that is as per the second schedule we have discussed. Conversion from private company to LLP as per schedule 3. Conversion of unlimited public company into LLP as per schedule 4. Now these provisions are important again for your exams. Registrar, on satisfying that a firm, private company or an unlisted company as the case may be has complied with the provisions of various schedules, provisions of the Act and the rules, the register the document and issue a certificate of registration stating that LLP is registered under this Act. Under this Act means under LLP Act from the date specified in the certificate. It means let's say if partnership firm is want to convert it into the LLP, then it has to follow the provision of schedule 2, second schedule, and submit the document to registrar. and registrar is satisfied that all the requirements have been completed, then it will issue a certificate of incorporation of LLP. Now, after getting the certificate of incorporation then LLP within 15 days of the registration inform the concerned registrar of the firm, companies as the case may be, about the conversion and of the particulars of the LLP. मतलब कि जब let's say if partnership firm is converted into LLP, then after the registration, the LLP after registration within 15 days, the LLP will inform the registrar of firms that we are converted into LLP. Same way, if company is converted to LLP, then after getting registered, the LLP will inform registrar of companies that we are converted into the LLP. जब फर्म या कंपनी कन्वर्ट हो रही है LLP में, तो रजिस्ट्रेशन के बाद 15 दिन के अंदर LLP जो बन के आई वो इन्फॉर्म करेगी पुराने स्टेटस को, यानी कि रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ फर्म को, अगर पार्टनरशिप फर्म थी, रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ कंपनीज को कि अगर वो कंपनी थी प्राइवेट या पब्लिक, कि भैया अब हम आपसे हमारा कोई रिश्ता नहीं है, हम तो चल दिए LLP के खेमे में, ठीक है। Now, upon such conversion, the partners of the firm, the shareholders of the private company or unlisted public company, as the case may be, the LLP to which such firm or such company has converted and the partners of LLP shall be bound by the provisions of various schedules as the case may be applicable to them. The meaning of this point is just to inform that after the conversion, the partners of LLP will be responsible as per the schedules. Clear? Effect of registration. Effect of registration and effect of conversion. Section 58. On and from the date of registration is specified in the certificate of registration. जो certificate LLP ने दिया, उसमें जो date लिखी होगी, from that date. The date which is printed on the certificate given by the registrar of LLP, that there shall be a LLP by name is specified in the certification of registration. All tangible asset, whether movable or immovable, and intangible property which was belong to the firm or company will be the assets of LLP. So please read point number 2 once again. All tangible, movable or immovable and intangible property vested in the firm or the company as the case may be, all assets, interest, rights, privileges, liabilities, obligations relating to the firm or the company as the case may be, and the whole of the undertaking of the firm or the company as the case may be, shall be transferred to and shall vest in the LLP. यानी कि जितना भी प्रॉपर्टी लायबिलिटी था फर्म का या कंपनी का, वो सब कन्वर्जन बस किसका हो जाएगा? LLP का हो जाएगा। सिंपल सी बात है भाई, लॉ में लिख दिया समझाने के लिए, पर है वो सिंपल बात। Now, firm or the company as the case may be shall be deemed to be dissolved and removed from the records of registrar of firm and registrar of companies. जब भैया फर्म और कंपनी कन्वर्ट हो गए LLP में, that the name of the firm or a company as the case may be will be removed from the registrar of firm or registrar of company. सिंपल, ये वहां से नाम हटा दिया जाएगा और LLP में नाम जोड़ दिया। Foreign LLP section 59. I have actually last slide में ये change करना रह गया था, Company Act 1956 लिखा था, वो रह गया, but in this slide I have corrected. So you please correct on that slide. That is Company Act 2013. First simple point, just to read. The central government may make rules for provisions in relation to establishment of place of business by foreign LLP within India and carrying on the business by applying or incorporating with such modification as appear appropriate the provisions of Companies Act 2013 or such regulatory mechanism with such composition as may be prescribed. Simple the funda hai. The central government will decide the rules and regulation for establishment the place of business and carrying on the business by foreign LLP in India. Simple सी बात कि भैया सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट डिसाइड करेगी कितने रूल्स बनाएगी कि जो फॉरेन LLP है जो इंडिया बिजनेस करना चाहती है वो कैसे अपना सेटअप बनाएंगे और कैसे बिजनेस, इतनी सी बात. वाइंडिंग अप एंड डिसोल्यूशन. Winding up and dissolution, section 63. Winding up of a LLP may be either voluntary or by tribunal or an LLP. So wound up may be dissolved. What is a tribunal? Tribunal is like a court, specifically for a specific act. लगता है गवर्नमेंट को कि भैया कई बार क्या होता है ना कि गवर्नमेंट को लगता है यार ये केस बहुत आएंगे तो उसके लिए बीच में एक कोर्ट बना दो. That is called tribunal. If government thinks there is a number of cases and the court will be busy on other cases, how will be solved? So it, for early solution, they prepare a tribunal for particular act. Then they will decide the matter. So circumstances, this question has been asked in November 2020, and I think this is again an important question. Circumstances in which LLP may be bound by the tribunal. So in what cases tribunal can get the order of winding up of the LLP? If LLP decide that LLP be wound up by the tribunal, it means LLP want to get wind up, but inform to tribunal if please direct the procedure for winding up. Then tribunal will decide. If for the period of more than 6 months, the number of partners of LLP is reduced below 2. If LLP is unable to pay debts, if LLP has acted against the interest of the sovereignty and integrity of India, the security of the state or public. 4 बातें. LLP wind up होना चाहती है और LLP को लगता है कि भैया ट्रिब्यूनल को इन्वॉल्व कर लो, झगड़े वगड़े नहीं होंगे, तो ट्रिब्यूनल डायरेक्शन देगा. या 6 महीने हो गए एक ही पार्टनर है और ट्रिब्यूनल को लग रहा है यार ये तो लग नहीं रहा कि अब ये 2 हो पाएंगे, पार्टनर एक ही रहेगा. In that case, ट्रिब्यूनल ऑर्डर कर सकता है वाइंडिंग अप के लिए. ट्रिब्यूनल को लगता है कि LLP अपनी लायबिलिटी नहीं चुकाने की सक्षम नहीं है, तो बिजनेस ही नहीं गड़बड़ चल रहा है, तो वो चला जाएगा. या LLP हैज एक्टेड, LLP ने कुछ ऐसा काम किया जैसे हिंदुस्तान के लिए, उसकी सिक्योरिटी के लिए, देश की सिक्योरिटी के लिए, देश की एकता के लिए कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा है, तो वो ऑर्डर कर सकती है वाइंडिंग अप. दीज आर द पॉइंट्स. 2 more points. If LLP has made a default in filing the registrar, the statement of account and solvency and annual return for any consecutive 5 financial year, 5 साल तक एनुअल रिटर्न फाइल नहीं किया, स्टेटमेंट ऑफ अकाउंट सॉल्वेंसी फाइल नहीं किया, उस केस में भी ट्रिब्यूनल वाइंडिंग अप का ऑर्डर दे सकता है. या ट्रिब्यूनल को लगता है यार कि भाई अब तो ऐसा रास्ता लग रहा है कि हमें कराना ही पड़ेगा, इसके बिना काम नहीं होगा, वाइंड अप कर दो, LLP में कुछ हो नहीं रहा है, तो वो वाइंड अप ऑर्डर दे सकते हैं. These are the 6 points. You have to learn these points. Rules for winding up and dissolution. Rules like you can say the procedure. The central government may make rules for the provisions in relation to winding up and dissolution of LLP. Miscellaneous topic, section 66. Business transaction of partner with LLP. The partner may lend money to. ये important. LLP is a separate legal entity from the partners. So partners may lend money to and transact other business with LLP and has the same right and obligation with respect to the loan or other transaction as the person who is not a partner. मतलब पार्टनर के संग जो LLP डील कर सकती है जैसे थर्ड पर्सन के संग करती है उसी तरह से, क्योंकि LLP is not a partner. LLP is a separate legal entity than the partner. Partner may lend money or transact business with LLP, and LLP can deal him as a deal with other person. जैसे बाकी लोगों के संग डील करते हैं वैसे ही पार्टनर भी उनके लिए होंगे इन केस ऑफ लोन और इन केस ऑफ बिजनेस ट्रांजेक्शन. Section 67 says application of provisions of Companies Act. क्या Companies Act के provision भी applicable होंगे LLP में? So then in this point, the law says the central government by notification in the official gazette that any of the provision of the Companies Act 2013 shall apply to LLP or apply to LLP with exceptions, modification, adoption as the case may be. It means क्या कंपनी के प्रोविजंस एप्लीकेबल होंगे, कंपनीज एक्ट 2013 के प्रोविजंस एप्लीकेबल होंगे एलएलपी पर, ये सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट डिसाइड करेगी क्या वो एप्लीकेबल होंगे, अप्लाई होंगे, होंगे तो एज इट इज होंगे या कुछ मॉडिफिकेशन के साथ. ठीक है. A copy of every notification proposed to be issued under subsection 1 a copy of every notification proposed to be issued under subsection 1. What is subsection 1? Subsection 1 is applicability of provisions of Companies Act to LLP. Shall be laid in draft before the House of Parliament. अगर कुछ होना है तो उससे पहले अप्रूव कराया जाएगा पार्लियामेंट से. For 30 days, 30 दिन तक पार्लियामेंट के दोनों हाउस में रखा जाएगा, which may be comprised in one session or 2 or more successive sessions. 30 दिन में एक सेशन हो सकता है, 2 हो सकते हैं. And if both house are agreeing disapproving the issue, वो allow नहीं कर रहे हैं, और both houses are making any modification, then notification not be issued or issued only after the modification. क्या मतलब कि जो नोटिफिकेशन है रिगार्डिंग द एप्लीकेबिलिटी ऑफ प्रोविजंस ऑफ कंपनीज एक्ट टू एलएलपी, वो संसद के दोनों सदनों में, राज्यसभा लोकसभा में रखा जाएगा 30 दिन के लिए, जिसमें एक सेशन हो सकता है, 2 हो सकते हैं, ज्यादा हो सकते हैं. अब हाउस 2 बातों पे होगा, या तो वो 3 बातें, या तो अप्रूव कर रहा है तो बात ही खत्म हो गई. अब या डिसअप्रूव कर रहा है या अप्रूव कर रहा है मॉडिफिकेशन के साथ. तो अगर डिसअप्रूव कर रहा है तो कैंसिल, तो अप्लाई नहीं होगा. लेकिन अगर मॉडिफिकेशन के साथ अप्रूव कर रहा है तो वो जब भी अप्लाई होगा जब वो मॉडिफिकेशन हो जाए. सिंपल सी बात. Now establishment of special courts, these are section newly inserted section 67 capital A. ठीक है. क्या क्या क्वेरी आएंगी सब तक आपकी? Privileges just like facilities. What is the criteria for a foreigner to be considered as Indian? I think we should concentrate on this act only, and according to this act, if person is an Indian resident and he is in India for 120 days in the previous year, it can be the partner. वाइंडिंग अप एंड डिसोल्यूशन. वाइंडिंग मतलब बिजनेस खत्म करके, डिसॉल्व मतलब पार्टनरशिप खत्म हो गई, बंद हो गया तो वो डिसोल्यूशन हो गया. वाइंडिंग अप मतलब खत्म करना, बिजनेस खत्म कर रहे हैं भैया, आप समेट रहे हैं बिजनेस, समेटना. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट may by notification establish or designated as many special courts for the purpose of providing speedy trial of offences under this act. इस ट्रायल का मतलब हो गया सॉल्यूशन, कि भैया सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को लगता है यार बहुत झगड़े लफड़े आ रहे हैं, कंफ्यूजन आ रहे हैं, तो एक स्पेशल कोर्ट बना दो ताकि मैटर जल्दी से जल्दी सुलझ जाए और काम आगे बढ़े. नाउ दिस स्पेशल कोर्ट shall consist of a single judge holding office as sessional judge or additional session judge in case of offences punishable under the act with the imprisonment 3 years or more. It means judge of session judge या additional session judge will be a single judge if the matter in which imprisonment is for 3 years or more. But up to 3 years, there can be a metropolitan magistrate or judicial magistrate of the first class. In the case of other offences, who shall be appointed? Other offences matlab up to the 3 years shall be appointed by central government with the concurrence of Chief Justice of High Court. Concurrence means with the discussion of Chief Justice of High Court. तो भैया सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट क्या करेगी? लगता है मैटर बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है तो स्पेशल कोर्ट बना देगी. अब स्पेशल कोर्ट में कौन कौन होगा? एक जज होगा. जज अगर 3 साल से ज्यादा के मैटर है तो सेशन जज होगा उसमें, और 3 साल तक के मैटर यानी ऐसे मैटर जिनमें सजा केवल 3 साल तक की है तो मेट्रोपॉलिटन मजिस्ट्रेट या जुडिशियल मजिस्ट्रेट होगा एज ए जज, जिसको अपॉइंट कौन करेगा? सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. ठीक है. प्रोसीजर एंड पावर ऑफ स्पेशल कोर्ट सेक्शन 767 कैपिटल P. All offences specified under section 67 capital A subsection 1 shall be taken only by a special court established or designated for the area in which registered office of the LLP is situated, in relation to which offence is committed, or where there are more than one special court for such area, by such one of them as may be specified in this behalf by the High Court. क्या मतलब? The matter which are decided in section 67 capital A subsection 1 that the special should be handled by the special court, and a special court will be of that area in which the registered office of the LLP is situated. Or let's say if there are more than a special court in that area in which the registered office of the LLP is situated, then which special court would handle the matter will be decided by the High Court. कि भैया जो मैटर डिसाइड हुए सेक्शन 67 कैपिटल ए में वो सारे मैटर स्पेशल कोर्ट डिसाइड करेगी. कौन सी स्पेशल कोर्ट? जहां पर रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस सिचुएटेड है. किसका? एलएलपी का. उस एरिया की स्पेशल कोर्ट. मान लो उस एरिया में एक से ज्यादा स्पेशल कोर्ट है तो कौन सी कोर्ट डिसाइड करेगी? वो है हाई कोर्ट डिसाइड करेगी. While trying an offence under this act, a special court may also try an offence other than an offence under this act. मान लीजिए स्पेशल कोर्ट कोई मैटर हैंडल कर रहा है and at that time there is some other matter which is not for this act, which is concerned with some other act, so that can also be handled by the special court. कि जब मान लीजिए कोई मैटर हैंडल कर रहा है स्पेशल कोर्ट, वो एलएलपी का नहीं है, एलएलपी का तो आगे मैटर, और उस समय मालूम पड़ा कोई किसी और एक्ट का भी, सपोज इनकम टैक्स एक्ट का है मैटर है, तो वो भी स्पेशल कोर्ट हैंडल कर ले. नाउ स्पेशल कोर्ट में इफ इट थिंक्स फिट ट्राई इन समरी वे, जल्दी से समरी वे में कर सकता है, वे एनी ऑफेंस अंडर दिस एक्ट व्हिच इज पनिशेबल विद इम्प्रिजनमेंट फॉर ए टर्म नॉट एक्सीडिंग 3 years. यानी कि अप टू 3 years में पनिशमेंट है जिसमें उन मैटर को स्पेशल कोर्ट समरी वे में हैंडल कर सकता है. The special court may handle the cases in which the maximum punishment is up to 3 years, can handle in the summary way. But in this case, the special court may pass the order for imprisonment up to only 1 year. लेकिन मैटर 3 साल तक का है, लेकिन उस केस में स्पेशल कोर्ट केवल 1 साल की सजा दे सकता है, मैक्सिमम 1 साल की सजा नहीं दे सकता. Provided further that when at the commencement of or in course of summary trial it appears to the special court that the nature of the case is such that the sentence of imprisonment for a term exceeding 1 year may have to be passed, or that it is for any reason undesirable to try the case summarily, the special court shall, after hearing the parties, record an order to that effect, and thereafter recall any witness who may have been examined and proceed to hear or rehear the case in accordance with the procedure for regular trial. मतलब the special court is handling the matter in summary way, and after discussing the matter, it was in the opinion of the special court that the punishment should be more than 1 year, or the matter is such that it cannot be handled in summary way. So it will record the matter and handle the matter as regular case and again recall the witnesses for settlement of the matter. क्या मतलब बच्चों? अभी हम डिस्कस किए कि समरी में जहां पर स्पेशल कोर्ट है वो मैटर जहां पर मैक्सिमम पनिशमेंट 3 साल का है उन्हें समरी वे में हैंडल कर सकता है, ट्रायल कर सकता है, लेकिन इस केस में सजा वो 1 साल की देगा। अब डिस्कशन के बाद ये लगता है स्पेशल कोर्ट को कि ये जो सजा है इसमें 1 साल में ज्यादा की होनी चाहिए, या ये समरी में नहीं हो सकता, रेगुलर असेसमेंट में हो सकता है। तो वो क्या करेगा, जज उसको नोट कर लेगा मैटर को, फिर रेगुलर असेसमेंट करके उन्हें जो विटनेस थे उन्हें दोबारा बुलाएगा, दोबारा उनसे हियरिंग लेगा। ठीक है। The High Court may exercise so far as may be applicable all the powers conferred by the Chapter 29 and 30 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 on a High Court as if a special court with the local limits of the jurisdiction of High Court were a court of session trying cases with the local limit of the jurisdiction of the High Court. क्या मतलब है इसका? What is the meaning of this paragraph? Meaning, for any purpose, High Court will consider the special court as the session court. For the matters was given in chapter 29 and 30 of the criminal procedure code of criminal procedure CRPC 1973. मतलब ये हुआ बच्चों कि जो हाई कोर्ट है उसका राइट जैसे सेशन कोर्ट पर होता है वैसे ही स्पेशल कोर्ट पर भी होगा। सिर्फ इतना समझ। क्लियर? नाउ 68 सेक्शन। भैया 2 क्वेरी आई मेरे पास बच्चों की। क्वेरी से क्वेरी एक ही बच्चे की है, 2 बच्चों की है। सर सेक्शन 67 कैपिटल A and 67 कैपिटल B not in our book because these were in amendment. These were in amendments books. इसलिए बुक्स में नहीं है। मैंने बताया बेटा ये अमेंडेड है। देखो मैं लिखा है ना न्यूली इंसर्टेड, ये नए इंसर्ट हुए एज पर अमेंडमेंट। ठीक है। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फाइलिंग ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट सेक्शन 68, जो डॉक्यूमेंट हमें आरओसी को सबमिट करने हैं, आरओसी मतलब रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ कंपनीज को सबमिट करने हैं, वो हम ऑनलाइन फाइल करें। एनी डॉक्यूमेंट रिक्वायर्ड टू बी फाइल्ड, रिकॉर्डेड और रजिस्टर्ड अंडर दिस एक्ट मे बी फाइल्ड, रिकॉर्डेड और रजिस्टर्ड इन द प्रिस्क्राइब्ड मैनर, and copy of any document electronically filed by affixing digital signature with registrar be admissible as valid evidence. Sufficient है कि आपने डॉक्यूमेंट ऑनलाइन भरे मतलब भर दिए। Any information supplied by registrar certifying by him by affixing digital signature to be a true extract be admissible in evidence and be presumed unless evidence to the contrary is adduced. मतलब कि जो इन्फॉर्मेशन रजिस्ट्रार दे रहा है उसको साइन लगे हुए हैं, ऑफिशियल साइन लगे हुए हैं, डिजिटल सिग्नेचर लगे हुए हैं रजिस्ट्रार के, दैट इज सफिशिएंट कि उन्होंने डॉक्यूमेंट आपको सर्व कर दिया। क्लियर इतनी बात? रजिस्ट्रेशन, ये भी नया सेक्शन आया 68 कैपिटल ए, रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ ऑफिसेस। दिस इज अ न्यू सेक्शन। द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट shall by notification establish such number of registration offices at such places as it thinks fit for the purpose of exercising such powers and discharging such function as the conferred on the central government by or under this act or rules or for the purpose of registration of LLP under this act. The simplified meaning of this subsection 1 is the central government may establish the number of registrar of companies, registration offices for the registration of LLP. And central government may appoint such a registrar, additional registrar authorities, joint registrar, deputy registrar, and assistant registrar as it considered necessary for the registration of LLP and discharge of various functions of this act. And the power and duties of the registrar referred in subsection 2, and the terms and conditions that service shall be such as may be prescribed, and the central government may direct the registrar to prepare a seal or seal of the authentication of document required for or connected with the registration of LLP. So what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this this section 68 capital A is that central government may establish the number of registration office for the registration of LLP, and who will handle the these registration office? So for this purpose, the central government may appoint registrar, sub registrar, additional registrar, joint registrar, deputy registrar, जो भी जितने भी चाहिए, and the power and duties of these authorities will be as per the rules. And also central government will inform that you must prepare a common seal. A seal means mohar for the authentication of document. तो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट जगह जगह पे ऑफिस बना सकती है जब लगता है कि एलएलपी बहुत बन रही है, उसके लिए अथॉरिटीज अपॉइंट की जाएंगी, रजिस्ट्रार, एडिशनल रजिस्ट्रार, जॉइंट रजिस्ट्रार, ठीक है, जितने भी जरूरत पड़ती है गवर्नमेंट को, उनकी पावर ड्यूटीज एज पर द रूल्स सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट डिसाइड करेगी और उन्हें इंस्ट्रक्शन देगी कि भैया आप एक सील प्रिपेयर करो जो डॉक्यूमेंट को ऑथराइज कर सके, ठीक है। पेमेंट ऑफ एडिशनल फीस, सेक्शन 69, any document or return required to be filed or registered with the registrar, if is not filed in the time or in the time, then it may be filed after that time with the payment of additional fees. पहले कुछ अमेंडमेंट था, 300 days था, like 300 days, but now as per the amended provision it is 69. Section 69 says only it can be submitted only after the payment of additional fees. This is there is amendment in section 69. Okay, so this was the basic act. Distinction between LLP and partnership firm, you have to read yourself. There is 15 points. You read all the points. I think after reading you will capable of to learn only 10 points. आपके दिमाग में 10 पॉइंट रह जाएंगे तो उतना सफिशिएंट है, 5 नंबर का क्वेश्चन आएगा, और पढ़िएगा सारे 10 पॉइंट तो लिख के आने की कोशिश करिएगा, ठीक है। डिफरेंस बिटवीन एलएलपी एंड द कंपनी, अगेन द 8 points, you must remember all the 8 points. Summary, but this is time for super over 4. Sir, please upload amendment sheet as soon as possible. Okay, I will upload after this class. Difference between LLP and LLC. LLC मतलब limited liability company. Beta, I've given the slides. You can read from that. Now, let's start the super over 4. First, who shall sign the statement of account and solvency prepared by the LLP? By any partner authorized in this behalf, by at least 2 partners authorized in this behalf, by all partners, by the designated partners. Arshdeep is asking, sir, we should read the summary. Yes, you must start the revision first with summary. First you revise summary, then you come to the main provisions. Easy हो जाएगा बच्चों आप लोगों के लिए। संजना लिमिटेड लायबिलिटी कंपनी भी है, अरे कंपनी विद लिमिटेड लायबिलिटी इज कॉल्ड लिमिटेड लायबिलिटी कंपनी। काय परेशान हो गए बच्चे मेरे? Is there any difference between LLC and company? अरे भैया कंपनी में ही 2 तरह की कंपनी होती है, लिमिटेड लायबिलिटी कंपनी और अनलिमिटेड कंपनी, ठीक है, डिफरेंस कहाँ रह गया? Actually, LLP is basically a procedural act. So I have covered maximum things, or only one question is to be asked from this act. ठीक है, तो मैंने आपको बता दिया what is the important part. Who shall sign the statement of account and solvency prepared? ये हो गया question. Second question, what is the periodicity of preparing the statement of account and solvency by LLP? Within 3 months from the end of each financial year, within 9 months from the end of each financial year, within 12 months from the end of each financial year, within 6 months from the end of each financial year. आंसर एक बार में भेजने हैं बच्चों मेरे। Third question. Circumstances in which LLP may be wound up by tribunal, section 64. If for more than if for a period of more than 6 months the number of partners of the LLP is reduced below 2, If LLP is unable to pay its debt, if LLP has acted against the interest of the sovereignty and integrity of India, the security of the state or public order, any of the above. LLP shall, within of the date of the registration, inform the concerned registrar of firm or registrar of company, as the case may be, about the conversion of the particular end of the particular LLP. 7 days, 10 days, 15 days, 30 days. Fifth, which schedule of Llp Act 2008 deals with the conversion of an unlisted public company into LLP? First schedule, second schedule, third schedule, fourth schedule. What are the penal provisions for LLP if any LLP fails to comply with the provisions of section 34 subsection 3, which relates to the maintenance of books of account, other records and audit? No. They think this is the correction. Please read this question in the way where the penal provisions, what are the penal provisions of for LLP if any LLP fails to comply with the provisions of section 34 section 3 only. ये इग्नोर कर दीजिए, which relates to maintenance of books of account, other records audited. Please ignore करिए. It shall be punishable with fine 15,000 to 5 lakh, 25,000 to 5 lakh, 100 per day, subject to maximum total 1 lakh. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं, आंसर्स पे आते हैं बच्चों. By designated partners. Next, within 6 months, any of the above. Within 15 days, it is fourth schedule. And again, ₹100 per day. So let's see. Miss Chehel Soni sir, I like your lecture. Bete, I like you all students, all my favorite students, all my future chartered accountants. Okay. So let's take the person who has given all the correct answers. क्या बात है, आंसर ही नहीं मिल रहा मुझे सही एक भी. इसमें कुछ कंफ्यूजन है क्या, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है बच्चों को. इंफॉर्मेशन टू रजिस्ट्रार बाय एलएलपी, चलिए चेक कर लेते हैं इसको। सी, so I got the first person who has given all the correct answers is Miss Bhumika. Congratulations, Mr. Divesh. Miss Jia Patel. Miss Madhya Khan. Miss Jeba is saying, sir, your teaching style is amazing. Thank you, मेरे बच्चे. Mohit is asking a question. I think I should read. A, B, and C were the partners. They were carrying the business of cloth. A and B lives in India, and C has gone for a few days in America. Okay. Later, when C reached America, he suffered fever, and due to this, doctor advised him to bring the COVID-19 reports. And C bring it and give it to doctor, and doctor analyzed through his report that your WBC and platelets are decreasing. So to you glucose will be given, and she told, okay, no problem, start the procedure as soon as possible. This whole situation, A and B were ignorant of this. Later, in between the continuing of situation A, B, spouse badly fight in the party, and A informs C to expel B from though email, but C was in bad situation, unable to read it, referring the provisions of Partnership Act. Whether A can expel the B on above mentioned cases. बेटे पार्टनरशिप एक्ट में, ऐसा तो मेरा टॉपिक नहीं है, लेकिन पार्टनरशिप एक्ट में जो एक्सपेल होता है उसके लिए आपको प्रॉपर एग्रीमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग ही होगा. अगर एग्रीमेंट में मेंशन नहीं है, अगर एग्रीमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग चीजें पूरी नहीं कर रहे हैं तो वो नहीं होगा. ठीक है. और क्या बचा? बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स आ गई, ये तो सॉल्व हो गई. Sir, Diksha is asking, sir, we all feel so good and enthusiastic when you call us future chartered accountant. बेटा मैं आपको कॉल थोड़ी कर रहा हूँ, मैं तो आपका फ्यूचर बता रहा हूँ. यू आर फ्यूचर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स. सर जब हम कुछ पढ़ते हैं, कुछ भी पढ़ते हैं, रीडिंग करते हैं, लाइक जैसे लॉ पढ़ते हैं, तो ऐसा लगता है कि इन रियल लाइफ हाउ द थिंग्स हैपन. आपको ऐसा फील होता था कि जब आप पढ़ते थे, लगता था बेटा मैं भी, अरे बच्चों, सास भी कभी बहू थी, मैं भी आपकी तरह स्टूडेंट ही था. जो आपको फील होता है वही मुझे फील होता था. फाइनेंशियल डिस्क्लोजर, देखिए फाइनेंशियल डिस्क्लोजर फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू सेक्शन आपको वहाँ फुलफिल करने पड़ेंगे. नॉर्मली क्या है कि आपको डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट करने हैं, 6 महीने प्रिपेयर करना है, उसका ऑडिट कराना है. ठीक है ना. सो दिस वाज द एलएलपी एक्ट. अब मेरी एक राय है, मेरी माय एडवाइस इज जस्ट बिफोर स्टार्ट द रिवीजन यू मस्ट गो थ्रू द समरी फर्स्ट, देन you will go for the full act, because once you get the revision and then go for the main provisions, you will find that all the provisions you have already read. मेरे हिसाब से बच्चों आप लोगों को क्या करना चाहिए, कि पहले जब भी कोई रिवीजन करो किसी एक्ट का भी, जैसे मेरा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है या एलएलपी है, तो उसका समरी पहले एक बार रिवाइज करो। समरी से क्या होगा, वो 2 घंटे में पूरा आपको कवर्ड हो जाएगा, 2 घंटे में कवर्ड हो जाएगा। फिर जब आप मेन रिवीजन करोगे तो जब आप ऐसा लगेगा आपने कुछ पढ़ा हुआ है, ये भी आपने पढ़ा था, ये भी पढ़ा था, है ना, तो वो इजी हो जाएगा। जैसे नॉर्मली क्या होता है ना, बड़ा सिंपल सा एग्जांपल दूं मैं आप लोगों को, बालों में शैम्पू करो पहले तो शैम्पू ना ज्यादा लगता है, लेकिन दोबारा शैम्पू करते हैं ना तो बड़ा कम शैम्पू में काम हो जाता है। इसी तरह से बहुत सिली सा एग्जांपल है, बट दिस इज द फैक्ट कि जब आप एक बार रिवीजन करोगे, रिवीजन से पूरा पढ़ लिया आपने, अब जब मेन पे जाओगे, मेन एक्ट पे जाओगे, मेन प्रोविंस पे जाओगे, तो आपको लगेगा यार ये सब मैंने पढ़ा हुआ है, ये सब पढ़ा हो, तो वो आपके लिए आसान हो जाएगा उसको रिटेन करना। ठीक है ना? सो थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू बच्चों, थैंक यू विभू, थैंक यू, आई थिंक शुड थैंक यू ऑल, and I think I should say thank you to ICI who have given the opportunity to me to interact with my future chartered accountants. ठीक है, thank you so much, and definitely I will upload the amendment from the ICI today. Thank you बच्चों, thank you so much once again. Thank you and best of luck for your future. Okay, bye bye.